Tesla's long-awaited endeavor in India seems to be materializing as discussions unfold about the establishment of a vehicle assembly plant with an annual capacity of up to 500,000 cars, making way for an affordable electric vehicle priced at around $24,350. Welcome to Evolutionary. According to a report from the Times of India, Tesla has entered discussions with the Indian government to set up a vehicle assembly plant in the country. With an annual production capacity of up to 500,000 cars, this move signifies Tesla's intention to establish a strong presence in the Indian market and tap into its manufacturing capabilities. The plant would not only cater to the domestic demand for electric vehicles, but also serve as an export base for countries in the Indo-Pacific region. While specific details about the electric vehicle model remain undisclosed, it is expected to be Tesla's most affordable offering, starting at approximately $24,350. This aligns with Tesla's strategy to make electric vehicles accessible to a broader consumer base. Interestingly, this price target resembles the one set for Tesla's upcoming small electric vehicle models planned for production in China and Mexico. Leveraging India's relatively lower production costs could prove advantageous for Tesla in achieving its affordability goals. According to Times of India, government sources express confidence in Tesla's plans, emphasizing the positive impact of local manufacturing and exports on India's economy. The Commerce and Industry Ministry is leading the discussions, aiming to strike a good deal that ensures a level playing field for all automakers operating in India. This development comes on the heels of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the United States, where Tesla CEO Elon Musk expressed his intention to invest in India and his admiration for the Indian leader's efforts to promote investment. The Indian government's insistence on a local assembly plant has been a key factor in the delay of Tesla's entry into the Indian market. Last year, plans were put on hold when the government declined to provide special incentives for importing electric vehicles at lower duties. However, recent developments indicate a renewed willingness from both sides to find common ground and move forward with Tesla's ambitions in India. The potential establishment of a Tesla factory in India holds great significance for the country's automotive industry and the broader adoption of electric vehicles. It represents a substantial step towards accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation by offering an affordable electric vehicle option to Indian consumers. Furthermore, the manufacturing capabilities in India, combined with the prospect of exporting to neighboring countries, strengthen India's position as a hub for electric vehicle production and contribute to the growth of the electric mobility ecosystem in the Indo-Pacific region. The potential establishment of a Tesla factory in India holds tremendous promise for revolutionizing the country's automotive industry and propelling the broader adoption of electric vehicles. By setting up a manufacturing facility in India, Tesla aims to cater to the rising demand for affordable electric vehicles in one of the world's largest automobile markets. The significance of this move extends far beyond the Indian borders, as it has the potential to drive the transition to sustainable transportation on a global scale. With the Indian government's emphasis on promoting electric mobility and reducing carbon emissions, Tesla's entry into the Indian market aligns perfectly with the country's clean energy goals. India, with its population of over 1.3 billion people, presents a massive opportunity for electric vehicle manufacturers to make a substantial impact in terms of emissions reduction and environmental sustainability. By offering an affordable electric vehicle model, Tesla can tap into a wider consumer base and accelerate the adoption of clean transportation in the country. The establishment of a Tesla factory in India not only signifies the company's commitment to the Indian market, but also highlights India's growing stature as a manufacturing hub for electric vehicles. The country boasts a skilled workforce and a robust supply chain, making it an attractive destination for global automakers looking to expand their production capabilities. Tesla's presence in India has the potential to stimulate the growth of ancillary industries and create employment opportunities, thereby contributing to the country's economic development. Furthermore, the potential for exporting electric vehicles from India to the Indo-Pacific region enhances the country's position as a regional leader in electric vehicle manufacturing. With its strategic location and well-established trade networks, India can serve as a gateway for Tesla to tap into neighboring markets and further expand its footprint. This not only strengthens India's economic ties with other countries, but also promotes regional cooperation in the field of sustainable transportation. The establishment of a Tesla factory in India is a testament to the changing dynamics of the global automotive industry. As countries worldwide recognize the importance of transitioning to clean energy and reducing carbon emissions, the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise. Tesla's decision to produce an affordable electric vehicle model in India reflects its commitment to democratizing sustainable transportation and making electric vehicles accessible to a larger segment of the population. Moreover, Tesla's entry into the Indian market is expected to stimulate competition and innovation within the domestic automotive industry. As more players enter the electric vehicle market, it will lead to a diversification of offerings, technological advancements, and improvements in infrastructure. This competitive environment will ultimately benefit consumers by driving down prices, expanding charging networks, and enhancing the overall ownership experience of electric vehicles. The discussions between Tesla and the Indian government mark a significant turning point in the relationship between the two entities. After years of negotiations and setbacks, both parties have demonstrated a renewed commitment to finding common ground and working towards a mutually beneficial agreement. The Indian government's willingness to facilitate Tesla's entry into the market is a testament to its recognition of the transformative potential of electric vehicles and its desire to attract investment in clean energy technologies. In conclusion, the potential establishment of a Tesla factory in India represents a monumental leap forward in the global electric vehicle landscape. By offering an affordable electric vehicle option and leveraging India's manufacturing capabilities, Tesla has the opportunity to make a lasting impact on the Indian market and contribute to the country's sustainable development goals. The entry of Tesla into India also symbolizes the broader shift towards clean transportation and signals a new era of innovation and competition within the automotive industry. As Tesla and the Indian government continue their discussions, it is essential for both parties to collaborate closely, address any challenges that may arise, and work towards a mutually beneficial partnership that drives the growth of electric mobility in India and beyond. In the coming years, we can expect to witness the tangible results of Tesla's plans in India. With the production of affordable electric vehicles and the expansion of the electric vehicle ecosystem, the potential benefits extend beyond economic growth and environmental sustainability. They encompass the creation of jobs, the establishment of a robust supply chain, and the empowerment of consumers with a sustainable transportation alternative. By embracing the vision of a greener future and supporting the transition to electric mobility, India can position itself as a global leader in sustainable transportation and inspire other nations to follow suit. The establishment of a Tesla factory in India not only benefits Tesla, but also holds immense potential for India's automotive industry and the broader electric vehicle ecosystem. The presence of Tesla in India is expected to stimulate competition and innovation within the domestic automotive market, driving other manufacturers to invest in electric vehicle production and infrastructure. This, in turn, will contribute to the growth of a robust electric vehicle ecosystem, including the expansion of charging infrastructure and the development of ancillary industries. Furthermore, the potential for India to serve as an export base for the Indo-Pacific region highlights the country's strategic importance in the global electric vehicle market. With its geographical location and well-established trade networks, India can act as a gateway for Tesla to access neighboring markets and expand its market reach. This not only strengthens India's position as a regional leader in electric vehicle manufacturing, but also promotes collaboration and cooperation in advancing sustainable transportation across borders. In conclusion, Tesla's plans to set up a vehicle assembly plant in India mark a significant milestone in its global expansion strategy. The potential for a $24,000 electric vehicle produced in India holds promise for making electric mobility more accessible to a wider audience. The discussions between Tesla and the Indian government underscore a mutual commitment to fostering a conducive environment for electric vehicle manufacturing and ensuring fair competition in the Indian automotive market. As Tesla navigates through the final stages of negotiations and prepares to embark on its Indian journey, the prospect of affordable electric vehicles on Indian roads grows closer to reality. With this exciting development, we witness the continued evolution of the electric vehicle industry, and the ongoing efforts to drive sustainable transportation worldwide. Join us next time as we explore the latest innovations, trends, and breakthroughs shaping the future of electric mobility on Evolutionary.